On this day, I would also like to pay my gratitude to all the great freedom fighters and soldiers who gave up their life of our nation. Although India is an independent country, only the battle is of won. There are many social issues that the citizens of this country are facing. So we must consider this day as an opportunity to come together and solve these problems. Today, gatherings and social events will be organized across the India. It is also a great way to express our happiness and designing our great Indian culture. It is also a great day to start being apart from the social initiatives that are carried out and doing our bit for the progress of our nation. So today, let's not take our freedom for granted and join hands together for making India a better place. Jai Hind. Thank you for this golden opportunity.
Good morning to everyone, respected principals and teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Bhavyashri. I am studying 8th class B section in ZPHS Palasamudram and I am going to say a few words on today's occasion. Today is our Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year. It is a very important day for us. We all have gathered today to celebrate this day as our constitution came into being on this day. It was written by the great Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. It has taken time 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. Today has the day to be thankful for what he has done for our nation. We must also be thankful to all the great leaders and soldiers who gave up their life for our country. We must always remember all the great leaders and soldiers. We must carry out our duties towards our country as responsible citizens. The Indian Constitution is the very important part in our life. Our country's administration is based on its fundamentals. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity. Jai Hind.
Thank you. ఉపాధ్యాయులు గారికి ముఖ్య అతిథులకు ఉపాధ్యాయులకు మరియు నాతోటి ప్రియమైన స్నేహితులకు ముందుగా గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఈ రోజు మనం గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవ వేడుకల్ని జరుపుకుంటున్నాము. ప్రతి భారతీయుడికి ఇది చాలా ముఖ్యమైన రోజు. ప్రతి సంవత్సరం జనవరి 26 గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవ వేడుకల్ని జరుపుకోవడానికి ప్రధాన కారణం ఏమిటంటే 1947 ఆగస్టు 15న మన దేశానికి స్వాతంత్రం వచ్చినప్పటికీ మన దేశానికి సొంత రాజ్యాంగం లేదు. రాజ్యాంగాన్ని రూపొందించడానికి డాక్టర్ బిఆర్ అంబేద్కర్ అధ్యక్షతన ముసాయిదీ కమిటీని ఏర్పాటు చేశారు. భారత రాజ్యాంగాన్ని రూపొందించడానికి 2 సంవత్సరాలు 11 నెలలు 18 రోజులు సమయం పట్టింది. అప్పుడు జనవరి 26, 1950న భారత రాజ్యాంగం దేశం మొత్తం అమలులోకి వచ్చింది. అందుకే ప్రతి సంవత్సరం జనవరి 26 గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవాన్ని జరుపుకుంటున్నాం. నాకు ఈ అవకాశాన్ని ఇచ్చిన పెద్దలందరికీ నా కృతజ్ఞతలు.
Good morning to everyone, respected principals, sir, teachers and my dear friends. Today my name is P. Chandana and first of all I wish you a very happy Republic Day to all. Today is 26 January and we celebrated the 75th Republic Day. On this day we celebrated the Republic Day with a great joy and happiness. On this day the Constitution came up into force in 1950. The Constitution is the supreme law of India. Our Constitution was written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and we should always respect our Constitution. Republic Day realizes us to importance of democracy and Republic Day teaches us to live in peace and dignity. I proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much. Jai Hind.